Hey YouTube, Untamed here. Figured I would just hop out and do a quick video with a nice backdrop here. We just popped down to Colorado and took the kiddos to the beach. I figure it's not every day I have this backdrop. I know you guys have grown to love my driveway as a backdrop. Let's see if we can see how thrilled my wife is about me doing a video out here. And you can't really see her. At any rate, not too much off-road, but a lot of trails out here, a little dirt like this, a lot of dirt trails. And I'll tell you what, the Land Cruiser is fitting in just fine. But yeah, I thought I'd just pop out and share this with you. Nothing too crazy, of course. Tell you what, on the way down here though, the roof rack, the roof basket was noticeably loud. So I really might be considering a replacement for that. You know, I love the look of it. I do think it brings it together nicely, but I might look for something a little bit more streamlined. It doesn't create so much of a wind noise. So if you guys have any recommendations, definitely throw them out there. I know a lot of you guys are kind of hit and miss on this one. This is the Yakima, I guess, Mega Warrior roof rack, roof basket. And it does look a little tacked on. Looks a little like a bit of an afterthought for sure. So that might be the next change. So at any rate, we'll wrap up the video there. Just wanted to share this beautiful backdrop with you guys. Until next time.